Howdy folks, welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. Today I'm drinking chocolate moo moo juice and we're going to show you why we haven't been working on the skid plate.
Terry Family Adventures.
So as we come through our door here, we're going to come inside and let's turn the light on. And here's our electrical box. And so we open this thing up here and every one of the circuits is used. So we're trying to wire in a welder, so we can't do it this way. And we come around outside here, we've got our main power box here, and let's see if we can get this thing open. And we do have an empty spot there, so we're going to have to wire in the welder from there. So the whole reason we moved into this house was the last place that we lived. They seen us grinding and they told us no. Definitely no on a welder because of fire hazard or whatever. So we bought this house because we need a welder. Because I'm worried that when I bolt the skid plate into the bottom of the Jeep, if I come by and hit a rock and shear the head of one of those bolts off, then the skid plate will fall down and catch a rock. And on the other side, it's bolted to the transmission support. And if I catch a rock and I'm going, it's going to completely destroy the Jeep. So I want to take a welder and I'm going to weld those bolts to the plate, so essentially making studs so that if I hit something it can't just bust it off. So we're going to make it a little stronger, a little more robust, so that can't happen. And so, but right now we're running into an issue where I've called an electrician to come out and wire out the welder, but it's still 2 more weeks before an electrician can get out here to do it. And so we're running a little bit behind schedule on making the skid plate, but don't worry, it's coming. We're doing skid plates, we're doing rock rails, we're fabricating it all right here in the garage. And so stay tuned for more videos about the skid plate and the Jeep build. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks.